Freedom of speech is one of the most important fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution of India. It is protected under Article 19, 1A. This right allows every citizen to freely express their thoughts, opinions, and ideas through words, writing, printing, pictures, or any other form of communication. Freedom of speech is essential in a democracy. It allows citizens to question the government, express criticism, share opinions, and participate in public discussions. It also protects freedom of the press and media. However, freedom of speech in India is not absolute. Article 19(2) allows the government to impose reasonable restrictions. These restrictions may be imposed in the interest of the sovereignty and integrity of India, security of the state, public order, decency, morality, contempt of court, defamation, or incitement to an offense. For example, speech that promotes violence or hatred may be restricted. Similarly, spreading false information that harms public order can attract legal consequences. The law tries to balance freedom with responsibility. Freedom of speech protects honest criticism and peaceful expression, but it does not protect speech that harms others or threatens national security. Courts play an important role in interpreting what is reasonable restriction. If someone feels that their freedom of speech has been unfairly restricted, they can approach the High Court or Supreme Court for protection. Freedom of speech empowers citizens to participate in governance and social change. At the same time, it requires maturity and responsibility. Using this right wisely strengthens democracy. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.